Very, very proud of our page. It is coming on very nicely, you must admit. And so we have quite a bit of resources and activities now for our students. All right. But right now, I want to be able to set up my online class because I've put the resources out now. I am ready to accept the students and to meet them live. So I'm going to go to add activity or resource. Remember, that button is where all the magic takes place. Add activity or resource. There's two online class options on the Ascot Virtual Learning Environment. We have one that's called Big Blue Button, and we have one that's called Open Meetings. But Open Meetings is the one that is going to allow you a lot more time and a lot more options. So I would suggest that you use Open Meetings. All right, so you click the Open Meetings module. I'm going to give my class a name. So virtual class, online class, right? I'm going to select how many students are supposed to be in this class. The maximum for conference is 16. So I probably want more than 16. Probably I'm going to have 150. So I'm going to select webinar, all right? 150. Remember now, if the room type is 150, the max user is 2. If you do not change this option, your students will not be able to get in. It's only you and another student, all right? So we're going to put the maximum at 150, all right? Now, participants need to wait till the teacher enter the room. Participants can already enter the room. Every participant automatically enter the room. No, you cannot allow all the participants to be moderators. That's going to be a problem. So they need to wait until you enter the room. Recording is available, recording is not available. You can choose the functionality of recording to be available. You can hide the chat or you can display the chat. I will leave the chat because you probably want the students to type to you while you are teaching, all right? And then you can occupy the entire window or you can display in frame. I would normally display in frame. So I can put a description of this here. So here we go. This is the link to the online class for virtual learning environments. All right, so I leave that as a description. This is a previous recording from a different class that is not really available for us now. Then room files these are the files that will go on the board in the class. So I have a PowerPoint presentation that I want to show in the class. So I'm going to click choose file. I'm going to upload the file. All right. So I'm going to find my PowerPoint presentation now, ED55K. I'm looking for my PowerPoint presentation, and this is time. I'm going to upload the file, and so this file is going to be a part of my class. Now, if I want additional files, I can have additional whiteboards, and I can click add field, and I'll upload the file, and then there will be an additional whiteboard in the class, all right? So I'm going to save and display my class now to see if it is ready, because this is going to be a critical feature that I want to ensure that works, all right? So there comes my class. My class is now loading in front of me, and I am excited. Voila, here's my class. And then there is my file that I had uploaded. So if you notice that you can add additional whiteboards by clicking the plus sign here, and then you can upload the files, additional files, and then you can put them into the whiteboard, and they take care of it for you. Now here is the chat. You can allow the students to type and you can send information. But this classroom is highly regulated. What does that mean? It means that once students enter the room, they cannot speak without the teacher's authorization. So the teacher would have to authorize them to speak, and the options would be there when they enter. How do students enter the class? They click on the link. So once the students get to the page, they click on the link and they get here. So this class is actually set up already. And when you are ready to teach, you're going to click on the camera icon so that your students can see you, and you are going to click on the microphone. All right. Okay. So this is saying that it's inaccessible. So let me work on that a little bit. All right.